back.
Okay, so we're back. We did a lot of things while we were gone. These are the meatballs, raw, all rolled up. You see the little soldiers? Except, see this little bitch here? There's always a little bitch has to burst the party up. Okay? So now we're gonna put those in the oven, I should say.
Okay.
And these are the finished product.
Oh my God, I can't wait to eat one.
But put those in.
Fix the tablecloth, man.
I want to hold them up. You want to hold them up a little bit?
Sure.
So they could be seen?
So these are it, the finished product.
The aroma is incredible.
Oh my God.
Just incredible. So now we're going to let them cool off.
Well, why don't you put them, yeah. There we go.
We're going to let them cool off for a while. Then you could eat them as is. You could put them in the refrigerator and make a sauce tomorrow and throw them in the sauce.
Right,
You
but
could
what
put
if-
them in
what
the
if-
freezer. This is what we're
Right.
going to do. Because we're not making sauce today because we did this and we did this. And we're tired.
I'm so tired right
And
now.
believe it or not, we got an eggplant parm in the oven, but we didn't want to talk
But
about that
next week,
shit.
we'll tell them what we're
Next
doing next
week,
week.
we're going to make braciole. And we're going to...
Use these meatballs.
that we're going to freeze in baggies. And we're going to throw those in the sauce that we're making next week
Exactly.
with the braciole, possibly sausage. Whatever we like goes in our sauces. So you could do ribs, you could do shanks, you could do sausage, meatballs, braciole.
So we're gonna make Sunday sauce next week.
We're going to make a Sunday sauce, Linda.
Fabulous.
Okay? Maybe we'll have
I
red
can't-
wine since it'll be Sunday.
I don't think so.
Nah, won't happen.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Okay.
Maybe we should crack one open, right? So we could have it back.
All right. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, I can't wait.
Oh my God.
So hot.
So moist and hot.
Here we go. Mmm.
Oh my God.
I like my meatball like this.
And when they're cooled off, they taste even better. All the flavors are intensified. Now, my dad would have fried meatballs with some peppers and onions, a sunny side up egg, and a loaf of freaking bread. But we're not going to do that because we want to live a little longer.
Right. Delicious.
Delicious. Laura, these are for you. All
All
waiting.
for you. Okay. Till next time.
Bye-bye.